Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. So basically I'm just doing a low bun using ponytail extensions. Note my hair is already relaxed. I feel like I say this every time. My hair is already relaxed, so I'm just going in with water. After spraying my hair, I used a cool styling gel to just gel my hair down so that I can have that sleek look. So basically I'm going to be using a brush. This is not a hard brush, this is just a soft brush, and I'm brushing it down to give it that sleek look. My hair is thick like this because it is already relaxed. Please, this hair is not natural. And then I'm using rubber band again to band my hair, which is actually not good. Anyways, yeah, and I think I'm using my Nuella hair wax to go over the gel, because I feel like sometimes the gel doesn't really like do its job because it's like water based and stuff. Anyway, I use my Nuella hair wax to also lay my edges. I feel like whenever you do edges, like one side must be so perfect than the other side. I don't know why it's like that. But look at this side. This side just gave me wahala. Look at this one. Look at this one. God, I adjusted and adjusted this particular edge. I mean, this particular hair. I don't know why laying edges just like that. And then I use my scarf to tie my hair. It's just a basic black scarf. It is not satin. It's just normal. And I'm showing you guys a ponytail extension to show you how it actually looks like. It is synthetic and it is long. I've mentioned this in my other video. If you don't watch it, please go and watch it. Thank you. So this is the final look, guys. I feel like I killed this hairstyle. Like, it's giving exactly what it's supposed to give, okay? And let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. Did I kill it or did I not? Just let me know. To me, I killed it.
Any events where me and you jam, I will repeat you. I swear to God. Any events where me and you jam,
and that's about it for the tutorial. See you guys in my next video. Bye.